I first appreciate the thought of Sai Baba Garu of felicitating the women journalist, and I appreciate the thought of Sai Baba Garu to, excuse me, to coach the underprivileged children, and that too non-profit organization.
And I appreciate Mr. Sai Baba for taking up this wonderful scheme. A lot of sports academies are there, and IT companies are running sports foundations, but nobody is having this idea of felicitating women sports journalists. It's a fantastic idea, Mr. Sai Baba. I appreciate you a lot, and I'm very happy to be here. And actually, basically, I was a journalist for 20 years. Now I'm working as an editor and media officer in Administrative Staff College of India. I run a table tennis academy inspired by people like Mr. Sai Baba. We run an academy, and with the help of the community, how to develop a sports academy, he taught us, and we are running an academy with the help of community in Naveen Nagar. We produced 2 international players within a span of 3 years. One is Akula Srija, now she's in China, and second one is SFR Snehit, who is my son, and actually 10 TV reporter, sports reporter Hema is my wife. And we produced another person, and he is back from China 2 days ago. And we always take inspiration from Mr. Sai Baba, and we visit his academy whenever we want to charge ourselves. And I appreciate this, and this kind of programs actually gives a lot of energy to parents. It is very difficult to being a parent for a sports personality is not so easy task. And I appreciate Mr. Sai Baba, and thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thanks. It's a wonderful gesture from Mr. Sai Baba. Though in fact, being a sport journalist, we should organize this kind of functions. Anyway, Sai Baba coming forward, doing all these things for us, and really I thank him for doing this kind of programs. For the last 3 years, he is doing this kind of programs. And anyway, I once again congratulate the winners. And I want many more to come and take this kind of prizes, awards from this kind of people like Sai Baba. So ultimately, sports will be benefited.
NGO, we are eligible under CSR, Corporate Social Responsibility Act. This entire Taj group of hotels, last 20 years they are promoting. Whenever we have such a seminars or some felicitations, they will be free of cost totally. We are not spending, because the NGO we can't spend. Everything is accountable, and we are thankful to the Taj group of hotels here, Taj Banjara.
Basically, I am a physical education teacher. I did my course, as soon as I passed my intermediate, I did my UGD in physical education. Then whatever the courses are there in physical education, I did almost all the courses from Osmania University. I feel very happy and proud of myself. I am the product of Osmania University by doing UGD, BPED, then MPA, and MPhil regularly I did. Then I did my PhD. So I am working in Urdu Medium Girls High School. They are very low class children are studying, and I feel proud of myself. So because Muslim girls, they will not come out to play, first of all. So I tried my level best to produce national players in Sipak Takraw game. So nearly 7 girls have played for the nationals. I feel happy, and moreover I thank to Sai Baba. He is coming forward to, have a sports field with us.
And I'm very happy that Sports Coaching Foundation, women sports journalist ki ee roju felicitate chesindi. As we know, because you are all journalists here, ఇప్పుడు everyone wants 24/7 news. Everyone update ఉండాలి న్యూస్లో. సో జర్నలిజం చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ రోల్ ఇప్పుడు సొసైటీలో ప్లే చేస్తుంది ఇంతకు ముందు కంపేర్ చేస్తే. అండ్ న్యాచురలీ వెన్ దెర్ ఇస్ సో మచ్ ఆఫ్ డిమాండ్, కట్ త్రోట్ కాంపిటీషన్ కూడా వచ్చింది. దాంట్లో ఒక ఉమెన్ జర్నలిస్ట్ వెళ్ళి కలెక్ట్ చేయడం, ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం, ఇట్స్ అ వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్ థింగ్. అండ్ ఈవెన్ ఇన్ దిస్ డిఫికల్ట్ ఫీల్డ్, women journalists are coming forward. They are progressing, they are succeeding. I think that's a very nice development and really praiseworthy. దాంట్లో in sports sphere also చూస్తే women's sports do not have the sort of importance that men's sports have. Any game మీరు చూస్తే women prizes, women sportsలో ఉన్న prizes and women general expenditure తక్కువ ఉంటుంది men sports కంటే. And then those journalists who go and cover women sports, I think that is also a very praiseworthy thing. So ఈరోజు సాయి కోచింగ్ ఫౌండేషన్ ఒక మంచి అవకాశం తీసుకుని ఒక నెగ్లెక్టెడ్ సెక్షన్ నేను అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఎందుకంటే ఇంకా విమెన్ స్పోర్ట్స్, విమెన్ జర్నలిజం, ఎస్పెషల్లీ జర్నలిస్ట్ హు ఆర్ వర్కింగ్ ఫర్ విమెన్ స్పోర్ట్స్, దే షుడ్ హైలైట్ విమెన్ స్పోర్ట్స్ సో దట్ ఇట్ ఆల్సో గెట్స్ స్పాన్సర్స్, ఇట్ ఆల్సో గెట్స్ ఆడియన్స్ అండ్ ఇట్ ఆల్సో గెట్స్ ద recognition that it deserves. I am so very happy that you try to make up some innovative programs and typically select people who have been neglected to honor them and give them your respect. Today I am very happy that sports journalists and that too women are being felicitated. We all know that in this world nowadays journalism has become such a big cutthroat competitive world, and in this world for women journalists to survive and to succeed is a very arduous task. And of course you all deserve the accolades that you have got today. I am sure you are all very, very worthy in your whatever sphere you are working. So I'm really very happy that Sai Baba Garu has, as usual in his own inimitable style, has chosen to felicitate women journalists today. I'm so very happy, and I'm really sorry that I got delayed in the official work. So once again I thank you all of you. It's a privilege always and ever to come and participate in any function that is organized by such a wonderful and noble foundation. Thank you very much.
They are donated, madam. FIFA people, the permanent football, madam. 20 years, long last for 20 years. They are donated by FIFA, 50 balls to our foundation.
I was the person who introduced the physical education program in the Andhra Pradesh, both PhD program, MPhil program and MPED program. I have produced a number of students and players all over the Andhra Pradesh. Not only in Andhra Pradesh, they also represented the India in many of the games. Today, it is a great occasion for all of us to felicitate the journalists who plays a predominant role in the upliftment of the sports. Though there is no specialization in sports journalism, but the people with journalism background are doing a fantastic job of giving a propaganda for all the sports. With their enthusiasm, we must inculcate the habits of sports culture among the youth, among the society, so that every child will come and in the evening play himself between 5:30 and 6:30. I live in a gated community in Magadha, which was all the courts were laid by Sai Baba, and today there are 100 children who play every day evening between 5:30 and 6:30. The mother and the fathers are extremely happy to see their children being played along with other children, and the common language in the entire campus is English. I am happy to associate. We congratulate Sai Baba, the Sports Foundation of this thing, for their excellent work which they have done today, making us all of us to be together for this fine evening. Thank you very much. Thank you.